Hey kids, come close. Let's see the new alphabets. Wow. A for apple. So juicy and sweet. Need a taste? Crunchy and neat. Hey, B for ball. Bounce it to the beat. Let's have a race. Rolling down the street. Look. Look, C for cat. With a purr so fine. Hear it purr. Soft fur, it's divine. Wow, D for dog. A friend all the time, wagging its tail. Hey, E for elephant. Big and strong. With a long trunk, trumpeting a song. Wow, F for frog. Hopping all day long. Ribbit, ribbit, in the pond where it belongs. Hey, G for giraffe. So tall and grand. Stretch your neck, spotty and tanned. Wow! H for hat. On your head it stands. Try it on. Keeps the sun off your hands. Look, I for ink. For writing we need. Draw a line. Stories in every deed. Hey, J for jug. Full of water indeed. Pour a drink. Refreshing, yes indeed. Wow, K for kettle. Boiling hot tea. Hear it whistle. Steamy and free. Look, L for lion. Roaring nearby. Hear it roar. King of the jungle, oh my. Come along and sing with me. Hey! M for mango. So juicy and sweet. Take a bite. Tropical treat. Wow. N for nun. Who we might greet. Say hello. Gentle and neat. Look. O for octopus. In the ocean blue. Waving its arms. 8 legs waving to you. Hey, P for pen. Writing stories for you. Scribble, scribble. Drawing fun things too. Wow! Q for queen. Wearing a crown. Bow down. In her royal gown. Look, R for rat. Scurrying around town. Watch it run. Tiny feet on the ground. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Hey! S for snake. Slithering around. Watch it glide. Without a sound. Wow! T for tree. Growing from the ground. Reach up high. Leaves all around. Look, U for umbrella. On a rainy day, stay dry. Colors on display. Hey! V for van. Driving away. Beep, beep. On the road every day. Wow! W for watermelon. Juicy and green. Have a slice. Red inside. What a scene! Look, X for Xmas tree. With lights so keen. Twinkle, twinkle. Festive and serene. Come along and sing with me. Hey, Y for yacht. Sailing on the sea. All aboard. Waves so free. Wow! Z for zebra. With stripes so free. Look at the stripes. Black and white, what a spree! Now we've learned our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Come along and sing with me. We've sung from A to Z and had so much fun, you see. Learning letters, one by one. Singing ABCs is so much fun.